What up, y'all? It's your boy King Hassanee Reacts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or else you get left behind. And also turn on post notification so you know every time I drop a new video, a new banger video. But anyways, man, I'm finna react to House. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Let's go. If you haven't already, I don't know what's doing with your life, but you better smash the like button and hit the subscribe button like crazy. If you new, come join the team, come join the squad. Let's get lit together. You know, support is free, and I would really appreciate it if you come join the team and smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you new. Let's go. And if you haven't watched my other previous videos, go watch it and smash the like button on all of them. And you know, if you're new, subscribe to the channel as well. So, you know. But yeah, it says 6'3", trash, talker, trust the clamp, Shifty high school bench rider. So, let's go.
Anytime, bro, I told you, you seen the halftime, but what I said, I'm gonna keep shooting because this is gonna drop. I'm gonna fucking shoot it. I'm gonna keep shooting that bitch every time.
Ooh.
Hey! You got dictator, bro. No, for real. You got Bachi. What they call you, Triple B's, Bachi. You got Jalen over here. Let's get it. AKA, what they call him? They call him DJ Son David. No, that's just Chandra Right, bro. Chandra Right. I like it. Chandra Right. Just feel everything right here. So we no, we got a 1v1. I guess this is a rematch. If y'all haven't saw on Bachi channel, on Bradley channel, they play 1v1. Yeah, let's get over a little bit. Gotcha. And somebody's out for revenge. I'm not gonna tell you one. If you want to see, go watch it. Thank you, Jim. Let's get straight into it though. Alright, what y'all going to?
15 2 to 1.
Let's go.
You should. Y'all doing dribble? What are you talking about? Y'all doing dribble limit?
No dribble.
That nigga like I can't. Pre-game complaints.
Call your own fouls. Be fair.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
The hands.
Hey, come on.
It's move. It's move, boy. Yo, that's all day, my guy. Put his bait, you know what I'm saying? Back him down. He a baby. He a mouse. Mouse in the house. Back him down like you just don't care. Hey, pause. You get the point.
That's gonna be tough with no dribbling.
That's all day. Bro. You are way stronger than him. You should not be calling fouls unless he push you, smacks you. Come on, bro. You stronger than that. Take that contact. You know what I mean? Attack every time. Every time. Easy buckets. There you go. Jab step. Attack. Don't shoot. Attack. Get hands.
2-0.
Get hands, man. Another thing what I'm gonna say is to be an effective, undersized guard, you have to have quick hands and good defense, and you have to stand out. As far as right there, quick hands. And that's why it's his ball now. So good defense, my guy. And he's quick too. And his handles too. Oh my gosh. That was tough for sure. That was so smooth behind the back. Lay with the right hand.
It's gonna be a good game.
Attack him again. Attack him. Or shoot it. Let's go.
Two one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? That was pretty. Pretty.
It's a good move.
Shoot it. Space. Shoot it. Oh, go by.
2 up.
Bro, that's gonna cost you, bro. That's gonna cost you if you keep doing that. Good shot.
4-2.
Hands for sure.
Hey.
Dang. Oh my God. You gotta put a hand up, my guy. Put a hand up. Attack him. He's playing up. Attack him, bro. Look how he's playing defense, bro. He's playing straight up tall. I get it. You are tall, yes, but you want to get blown by. If you don't squat down, slide on feet, beat him to the spot. If not, he's gonna go. Pew! He's gonna go past you, my guy. So squat down, put your hand in his face. If you make it, that he as long as you know you play good defense and he made a tough shot, that's all you can live with, man. You know what I'm saying? Good D is better offense, but you have to squat down, my guy. That's too tall, boys.
Arena active. You might need this.
Chew on this, Jack. Bye, friend.
Eyes up, live. Whoops, that easy.
Yes.
Good hand.
Took too long.
Not gonna work.
Good hand.
Not gonna work.
He's tired.
My fault. Hey, my fault.
Reset.
Attack, bro.
Come on, baby.
Attack.
Damn.
You shot 2 or 3 of those and you missed it, bro. Time to switch it up. Attack, my guy. Attack him. Or shoot it. You're tired.
6-2.
Stop settling.
You need a bucket.
There you go. Foul him. Make him earn it. For sure.
Good move, good foul. Yeah, these whack though.
Come on, man. Fuck.
You shot like 3 of those already, my guy. Come on, switch it up. Stop doing that one-legged shot, man.
That boy working over there.
Attack him. Oh my gosh. Woo. You gotta finish that, my guy. Gotta finish. Put him in the post. All day.
Oh, hell no. Fuck no.
Good shot.
Bro, I shot with 1 foot.
Damn, I missed it too. I would have been able to take
That's a 2, bro. I shot with 1 foot.
Good shot.
Oh, hold on.
I would say it's his
6'4".
bro.
That's still Jalen's.
I would say it's other man's bro.
What was you getting? Low angles?
You ain't got no iron in you. You need some iron. There we go. Come on, man.
What I would do, like, if I was playing him, if I was, what's his name? Hibachi? well, his real name is Bradley. I would just make him shoot. You know what I'm saying the most he showed me was what he made he made 1 2 pointer and the rest was layups. So you know I would just make him shoot. To be honest, and he's athletic too. So you know, to me, I would let him shoot. Bro. I would make him beat me by shooting for a fact. You know,
6'4", 6'4".
remember, it's not how you start; it's how you finish.
Buck here, you get a
That
quick
shit gonna
break.
drop. We gonna keep shooting. Get that
Attack
shit.
him, attack him,
Oh yeah, I like this shit.
attack him. Oh my god! So he definitely got nice hands for sure. Good shot, good shot, good shot, boy.
I honestly feel good. We gonna keep.
Look at this nigga.
I mean,
What about you? What about Jalen?
Yeah. There's not too much I need to change. Playing good defense. Shots just gotta fall. That's it. I'm playing pretty much the same game.
Where we at? What you
Game
thinking?
plan is way different. He's just trying to dive in and play bully ball.
Yeah,
So, just gotta play aggressive. I mean, it's foul's foul. We're not playing a real game.
I feel you. Yeah, just go for the ball. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna be tough because of the size, but
Facts.
just go for the ball, check it up, give him the ball back, be respectful, so everything's good. Your moves looking good though.
Facts.
Nah, for real.
No, but he driving in. I feel like the entire. That's why he's missing a lot. So, hey, win-win for me. He drives in. I try to just my best and not make him score when he bully ball. He gets tired.
And what I learned is like when he drove those 2 times, he did the spin move. So you have to realize that he's gonna obviously do the spin move again. Maybe not, but I would just play his spin move. So if he does the spin move, you can read it before it happens, and then you can beat him to the spot, make him travel, make him miss a shot, or even foul him. Make it tough for him. I get it. He's trying to do bully ball, but quick hands and beat him to the spot. Do your best, my guy.
That's me. I'm more experience. So,
What you got? 8-4, right?
8-4.
8-4 your way. You about halfway there, so hey.
Next play, 10-4. Got a good lead, and I'll feel more comfortable.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's get it.
That's cool, baby.
We opening y'all eyes to some hoop tubers y'all need to know about, man. I know y'all probably can't hear me, but
You ready?
I'm not sure.
8-4.
Give me that shit.
He's playing his shot now. Like what he's trying to do now is bait his timing as far as when he shoots it, he wants to block it. So what I would do, well, I'm not saying what I do, but you never know. I may play them one day. You never know. You know what I mean? So.
good defense. Okay.
Good shot.
Now.
6-8.
It was a good foul.
Don't hurt me, bro. I'm the type to fight.
Bro, look how skinny he is, bro. Come on. Get hands. There you go. Do your best, see?
Oh, God damn.
Bro, he's mad skinny, bro.
6-8.
Take that little bump he giving you. It's alright.
8 up.
Good shot.
Thought this shit was over. Come on, bro.
Now he's starting to make shots.
That's Kobe for you, too.
Good shot.
9-8.
Good shot. Make him go right. You see what
Ooh,
he's
okay.
at. Make him go right.
We got those, too.
Ooh,
Promise we got all that.
in and out.
That shit gonna drop.
9-8, Jalen Way.
I promise that shit gonna drop.
Attack. There you go.
Ooh,
It's alright.
good move.
It's alright.
Easy shot.
Bradley, right? You have to know the last 3 times he drove left. You have to make him go right. You have to. You have to. Because he scored going left with that tough fadeaway. And when he hit that 2-point. And you know, yeah, as far as I remember. But yeah, man, all I'm saying is switch it up, make him go right. Make him go right now. Cause
That's my man.
He's playing too comfortable right now. Make him uncomfortable. I get it, size difference, but it don't matter. Size don't matter. See, attack.
Don't block that shit if you go up.
His hands up. Attack him. Attack him.
I'm gonna send that shit to Jerry. Nope. Fuck no.
Settle him, my guy.
That shit's not gonna work, bro.
What's that, 9-8?
You have to attack him and do a step back or a hezzy or a spin move, whatever move you want to do. Do this. Matter of fact, do the step back again. Step back without hesitating. Because last time when you did the step back, he blocked it because you took too long. But if you would have did the step back quicker, step back into the hezzy, you would have definitely had him. Because now I'm seeing what he wants to do. He wants you to shoot it so he can time the shot and block it. So now do a lot of hezzies, fakes. That's what he's want to do now. He's playing tall, and he's definitely playing smart now. So switch up your offensive moves and things of that nature.
9-8.
9-8, you up? Yep.
He's tired. Make him shoot. Make him shoot. Make him shoot.
I really don't even see him.
That's
I really
tough.
don't see him.
Good shot. Put a hand up now because he's making his shots.
Yeah.
That's
We'll
tough.
get him out of here real quick, bro.
That's tough.
You need to stop.
Niggas out the
Play,
game
play,
was over,
play
bro.
up tighter. Play up tighter. If you got a foul him.
Game. Oh!
It's all right. Let's
That's
go.
a bailout.
Let's go. Score 5 points.
Jay,
Let's
let's
go. Come back. Let's go. Come back.
13-8?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's game 15.
Let's move.
Attack him.
Not
With a
him.
counter move.
That shit gonna hit Dre. Tap that front foot. Go ahead. Just don't shoot.
Come on. See? You gotta hit him with the fakes. That was a good fake to do the up and under. Good. Think about it. Every time you are shooting, he's blocking it with the left hand. Go the opposite way because he wants to block it with the left hand. Do a lot of fakes, jab steps to get him off balance. Hezzy, do mad stuff. You know what I'm saying? Kind of moves to get wild, to get open spaces to shoot it and do different things. Delay. Still in there, my guy. Still in there.
Y'all making each other earn them, though. I like that.
Attack.
Don't shoot that shit.
Attack.
I told him don't shoot that bullshit,
He's
bro.
timing it with the left hand every time. As you can see.
Oh, yeah.
Make him go right. He's going left. He's going left every time, bro. He's doing the same move every time. You have to calculate his moves, man.
I'm a TurboTax Live expert, ready to assess even the most unique tax situations.
Pampers helps keep baby skin dry and healthy. Pampers, the #1 pediatrician recommended brand.
Like this, look, Bradley, right? Bradley. Every time he's going left, he wants to do that turnaround shot, fadeaway shot. You have to know that. The last 2 times he did it. He drove left a lot of times, so you have to force him right. Every right-handed player loves to attack left. Some of them. It just depends who you are. like in this case, he's going left. You have to make him go right and also put a hand up because he's making tough shots. You know, you cannot knock that on him.
Here we go.
He's tired. Attack him with a counter move. Don't
We good
shoot.
on the shot. We good on the shot.
He's leaning forward. Attack him. Attack him. There you go.
Oh, we live on that
He's
bullshit.
hesitating on it. He had it. He had it.
Want me to end it? Or you want 2 buckets?
Make him go right. There you go. There you go. Shot, spin coming. Fairway shot.
One. Damn, bruh.
Game point.
That's tough. Good shot though. Tough shot.
All right, yeah. You better get up. See you later.
Good shot. Good shot.
GG's. That's GG's.
Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
It be like that. Good battles. Good battles.
He said,
Come on, bro.
Good
I'm
battles.
the best shooter on YouTube, bro. Anytime, bro, I told you, you seen the halftime coach. What I say? I'm gonna keep shooting because I'm just gonna drop. I'm gonna fucking shoot it. I'm gonna keep shooting that bitch every time.
You the best shooter on YouTube?
I'm the best shooter on YouTube, bro.
You can't outshoot Austin Mills.
Austin Mills?
No.
It sound good.
damn, you cannot doubt your friend, my guy. That's not fire. You gotta see, bro. Yes, you know what I'm saying you cannot be. Oh, you can shoot. You cannot outshoot a certain individual. That's not a good friend. But I'm not. But that's just me though. You know what I'm saying if I was Son's friend, homeboy, I would be like, you could. You know what I'm saying if you think you are, put the work in. You know what I'm saying versing, whatever. You know what I'm saying. But it's always good to have confidence. I'm not saying I'm not saying Jay Jones is a bad friend, but I'm just saying as a friend, you're not supposed to say, oh, so and so, like you cannot outshoot or you're not a better shooter than someone. You know what I'm saying? As a friend, you supposed to be like, oh, yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just keep working, or at least say you would get up to his level. You know what I mean? Not just knock him and say no. You know what I mean? There's no hate towards Jay. You know what I'm saying? That's my guy from afar for sure. So, that.
Okay, it's real cute. That's a cute statement. He ain't got the one. He don't have the 1 foot off the pivot. That shit's not guardable, bro. I'm talking about shit right now because I usually don't, bro. I'm just. That was a good game, though, bro. He tired me the fuck out. I hate chasing this, bro.
Told you.
I hate chasing, bro. I mean, Bocce, my fault. I hate chasing Bocce. Just man, be moving.
GG's, bro.
Score is 1-1, but I think I'm gonna leave that back.
I really feel like you should have did more snatches. So we had a weigh-in yesterday. We both pulled up. Like, it wasn't purposeful. We both pulled up here. Dude was guarding him on the wing. Snatching him quick as I ain't gonna lie. In my head, I was like, shit, he pulled that up.
No, you did good, bro. Especially for the you 6'3".
Yeah.
You 5'8".
Need some food.
Yeah, not even.
But I took him to. So the first game, I didn't take him to the basket or nothing. I literally just shot pretty much the whole game. But this game, I bounced it out.
Keep pushing, keep us humble.
Sure.
Yeah,
It's a good game, bro.
Everybody got better.
I talk shit, but it's all.
Yeah, man. Definitely. Bradley. Bocce. You know what I mean? Played a good game. He was quick. When it was halftime, it was 8-4. He was up by 4, and then you cannot knock Son. You know what I mean? He was making my bad, bro. I don't know your name. Wasn't paying attention, but it's definitely on love from him for sure. If you watch this, but yeah, you cannot knock someone who's making tough shots. You just say, what I'm saying, good shot. You know what I mean? So, the only thing you could do is play your heart out and live with the results. So Bradley had a good first half, but second half, he did step up. You know what I'm saying? He was making tough shots. He was attacking, and he was playing timing defense, if that makes sense. As far as like he was waiting for him to shoot the ball so he could block it with the left hand, you know. But yeah, Bradley played a good game in the first half, and like I said before, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Remember that. Remember, he came back and won 16-9. You know, never give up and keep pushing, and you never know. Um, you never know the outcome until it's over. You know what I mean? Basically, I'm saying do not give up until it's. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, good game between them two, definitely. Um, he definitely used his height to time his you know his shooting. But I would reason why I said to sit down on Bradley because he's quick, and a lot of times against taller defenders, big people and short people have an advantage because they're quicker and they can get into your body and do so much things for his layups or foul rule, whatever. But and also, I feel like Bradley was hesitating because um, he was blocking his shot braids. I'm calling braids, He was blocking the shot. He was blocking his shots, and he was, um, you know, he was hesitant to shooting the ball and things of that nature. So, you know, but yeah, overall, man, good game, good competition between them two. I love to see a part two to see what adjustments Bocce would do. But yeah, good game. Um, I tip my hat up to House, to Dre, Jay Jones, and I forgot the other guy name. But yeah, man, to all you guys, um, you know, I tip my hat up to you guys for being, a good content creator, and you know, I know Jay and Dre from Kick Genius, they was real good on those performance tests, testing out shoes, that's how I knew him, but yeah, man, it's definitely all love from my end to you guys, once again, man, you know, yeah, man, it's definitely all love. And yeah, you know my slogan. You know my slogan. Support the movement, the grind, and subscribe. It's free. Support me. I support you. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I always say, man, tap in with the kid, man. Gone. One last thing. If you haven't already, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but you better smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button like crazy. If you're new, come join the team, come join the squad, and let's get lit together. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's go. Um, remember, support is free. And yeah, man, we're gone.